Hello everyone. I'm glad to present this innovative solution. Actually, this solution was already there. Our ancestors were using these solutions for facing the challenges thrown by climate. So, next slide, please. We know like there are always many solutions available in the market which are either artificial or like harmful for environment and ecologically not good, not viable. But we have developed these solutions for the challenges thrown by nature from the nature. So next slide, please. Next slide. Okay, got this. So we have identified the gap in the market that if you for outdoor sitting areas, the expectation is everybody wants to sit in a cool, fresh, fragrant ambience which is free from insects and mosquitoes. But there are no available solutions there which can help us get rid of these problems of insects, heat, mosquitoes, and smell. So we developed a natural solution which is made from aromatic crops. These aromatic crops like vetiver, lemongrass, citronella, and the solution we made is from waste of aromatic crops. Now this project is beneficial for everybody from climate. We are helping the environment by promoting the cultivation of vetiver. Vetiver itself is a crop which helps in soil stabilization, increasing the soil fertility, and helps in land restoration. Apart from it, the product we are making is utilizing this waste of aromatic crops, which is after oil extraction, the waste is still having that oil. With our patented process, we enhance the aroma, we apply the sustained release technology so that the aroma stays for long, for years, about 3 to 5 years aroma is there. And due to this aroma, the special sesquiterpenes present in the aroma are responsible for mosquito and insect repellent properties. We have, the product is tested for 85% mosquito repellency, having consistent antidepressant stress relieving aroma for years. It provides natural cooling. We all are aware that khas provides natural cooling as a window covering. So it can bring down the temperature from 2 to 5 degrees centigrade. It has consistent fragrance for years, and we have got the SPF above 50 for the textiles, home textiles we are making from it. These home textiles which we are making are washable, low maintenance, and long shelf life. Presently, we are making blinds, canopies, rugs, carpets, wall arts, table textiles, and handicrafts from these products. So the items I have mentioned here are available in the exhibition area as well. The fragrance is there, and the mosquito repellent property is also there. The innovation is basically involves converting the waste into smooth fibers and sustaining the aroma and commercialization of the technology. We have already been granted 2 patents for making this fiber, for the process, and for making commercialization of this technology for machine. We have conducted around 6+ pilot tests, distributed 100+ samples, developed 15+ prototypes, and the whole process took us 2.5 years. We launched the product this year only in January in Domotex, and we got a very good response. We were the award winner for green floorings. Now coming to the our targeted segment. Our targeted segment is residential and commercial. Residential, we are targeting a premium segment, and commercial, we are targeting hotels, resorts, commercial buildings where there's an open sitting area and need of patio textiles or sunrooms or for gazebos or for swimming pool areas. So these textiles are very beneficial in providing a mosquito-free, stress-free ambience. Now coming to the benefits and impact. As I said that carbon sequestration of vetiver crop is too high. This is 15.42 ton carbon sequestration per hectare it gives. It helps in soil conservation, increases soil fertility by 25%, helps in 30% land restoration. it helps in its roots are soil binding, provides soil stabilization, and apart from it, we are giving double income for farmers, as after oil extraction, we procure waste from them. So this is a win-win situation for climate, for farmer, and for the weavers, to whom we are assigning to make these home textiles by either handloom or by hand knot. As I mentioned, we have won many awards. The one like Green Flooring Award I mentioned in Domotex, Germany, we were the finalists for this award. And many grants and recognitions have been granted, many media coverages, including the Gulf media, we have been granted. This is our team. Our team is from experts from each area, from marketing, from research, from textile. We are having a team of specialized, experienced professionals. We have been granted 3,000 euro innovation grant from WRI, then the Land Accelerator South Asia, and that's it. Thank you.